Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a battery widget on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now there are two different options. One is you can add it to your home screen and you can also add it to your lock screen. I'll walk you through both options. Now I'm going to just tap and hold anywhere on the screen here, and then I'm going to tap on the plus at the top left. All I have to do is then scroll down until I find batteries here, whichever format I want. Let's say I'm good with this middle option here and hit add widget. So just like that, I've added that to my home screen. I can also add it to my lock screen as well. To do that, let's hop into your settings. We'll scroll down and tap on wallpaper, and then right next to your lock screen here on the left, let's hit customize and add widgets. And again, all we'll do is tap on batteries and I can choose basically whichever format I want. Let's choose the smaller one here, and just like that, I have added that widget to my lock screen as well. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.